Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get Cadence Roll in FC Mobile. Start by opening Settings and enabling Advanced Passing Controls, then lower analog sensitivity slightly and map Cadence Roll to a comfortable input. Train in skill games with a fullback or winger to repeat the motion until timing feels natural. Focus on rhythm over force and adjust sensitivity in small steps after each session for steady improvement. Fine-tuning controls makes Cadence Roll reliable and easier to execute under pressure. Choose one button or a single stick flick and commit to it so muscle memory develops quickly. Turn off vibration to keep timing precise and save a controller profile dedicated to skill moves. Practice against different defenders and in various field zones until the motion becomes second nature and your timing stays steady during matches. Drills are the fastest route to mastering Cadence Roll and building match-ready timing. Begin with skill games that isolate one defender so you can repeat the move without pressure. Move to small-sided drills with teammates to practice entry speed and spacing under realistic conditions. Film short clips of each session, review your timing and inputs, and make incremental adjustments to sensitivity and rhythm until you can perform the move reliably in matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.